This Century 21 Premier Realtors property video is presented by Robert Herrings Jr. Stretch out, relax. Enjoy life more in a double living area of this spacious 3-bedroom 1.5 bathroom house. Open floor plan includes a eat-in kitchen area and wood-burning fireplace in one of the 2 living rooms. The second living room walks you out to a spacious backyard that also has a covered patio. Master bedroom has its own shower and double vanity sink. Even the price is relieving. $250,000 looks like a bestseller yet. For more information, review the details below or contact Robert Herrings Jr. at 254-547-9991.